Snowflakes form in the icy upper layers of the atmosphere before falling. As the crystals gather, the city turns white. Enjoying outdoor activities even in winter. That's Sapporo style. The highlight of events in Sapporo is the Sapporo Snow Festival. The huge snow and ice sculptures can be over 15 meters high. Experience a magical moment in the freezing air. Japan consists of 5 major islands: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, Kyushu, and Okinawa. Sapporo is the largest city on Hokkaido, which is located in northern Japan. The annual snowfall in Sapporo is approximately 6 meters. No other large city in the world has such heavy snowfall. There are 6 ski slopes within an hour's drive of the city center. All winter sports can be enjoyed in the city. Odori Park, which is located in the center of Sapporo and extends 1.5 kilometers east-west, is the main venue of the Sapporo Snow Festival. This event, showcasing large and small snow and ice sculptures, marked its 70th anniversary in 2019. Sculptures were created based on various themes and included movie characters and historical buildings, all carefully made of snow and formed by human hands. It takes approximately 1 month to create the large snow sculptures. More than 500 5-ton truckloads of snow are collected into a pile of over 15 meters high before it's carved. This year there were 5 very large sculptures, 2 of which were created by ground self-defense force members. A total of 10,000 people participated in the transportation of snow and the production of the snow sculptures. This is Hatsune Miku, a computer-generated virtual singer hailing from Sapporo, and this is Toyama Kasumi, the animated vocalist of the game Bandori Girls Band Party. Enthusiastic fans gathered from around the world to see this dream collaboration, which was exclusive to the Sapporo Snow Festival. This artwork was created using only transparent ice. Blocks of ice were stacked to create the delicate sculpture. Ramen, seafood dishes, and other Hokkaido specialties can be enjoyed at the Snow Festival's Odori Park site. There's nothing better than enjoying these hot dishes in the frigid outdoors. Illuminated snow and ice sculptures create a fantastic, romantic atmosphere. The white surfaces of the snow sculptures become canvases for projection mapping at night. The images projected on pure white snow are a highlight. The Sapporo Snow Festival is always evolving. The Yukimiku AR snow sculpture, which integrates snow sculpture, music, and AR, can be enjoyed using a smartphone app. It's a special live experience unique to the Snow Festival. At a giant jump hill, top-level performances can be seen up close. There's another attraction that integrates snow and technology. It's a game of snowball throwing. Hit the target on the large screen, and the image changes. Sensitive sensors and the latest digital technology are utilized. Sapporo residents have transformed the cold into fun. The Snow Festival has developed into a part of Sapporo culture. The Sapporo Snow Festival, which is visited by almost 2.7 million people, promotes the appeal of snow to the world. Susukino is the largest entertainment district north of Tokyo. It's closed to vehicles at night and is lined with shining ice sculptures. Chefs working at local restaurants have created these sculptures. The venue also provides an opportunity for chefs to compete in skills. This tube slide is 100 meters long. If you want to physically experience the best of winter, the Tsudome site is highly recommended. This venue is characterized by attractions that can be enjoyed by children and adults alike. The vast venue is home to slides and a maze, all made of snow, and visitors can enjoy various snow activities. This is the time of year when you can fulfill your dreams in Sapporo. Yukimiku, an animated character who was created as part of the Sapporo Snow Festival in 2010, supports Hokkaido and adds colorful excitement to the Snow Festival. Outside the Snow Festival venues are numerous other spots showcasing the appeal of Sapporo. Jozan-kei Onsen is home to hotels lining a gorge. This resort, which is popular with locals, is within an hour's drive from the main venue of the Snow Festival. Jozan-kei Onsen, whose history spans more than 150 years, was developed as a hot spring resort by a Buddhist monk named Jozan Osho. Pirka Kotan provides an opportunity to learn about the indigenous Ainu people of Hokkaido, who have a unique culture and language. At this museum, visitors can touch most of the exhibited craftworks. These are kimonos and accessories made by contemporary Ainu people who have inherited traditional techniques. Fushimi Inari Shrine is believed to be what is called a power spot and is frequented by women wishing for love. When praying for a favor, bow twice and clap your hands twice. The clock tower, a symbol of Sapporo, is a designated national important cultural property. Visitors can enter the building. This brick building was built in 1888 during the pioneer days of Sapporo. And this is a statue of Dr. William Smith Clark. These sites are the most famous photo spots in Sapporo. Try Genghis Khan, a soul food of Sapporo, at Sapporo Hitsujigaoka Observation Hill. Grill lamb on a griddle and dip it in a spicy sauce. Mount Moiwa is popular for hiking and skiing. It's close to the center of Sapporo and popular with the locals. The summit affords panoramic night views. At night, the Ishikari Plain sparkles like a box of jewelry. During the Snow Festival, various events are held. Visitors can appreciate snow art here and there around the city. Visit Sapporo in winter and you'll understand its beauty. The coldness of the snow and the warmth of the city are reflected in the beautiful snow sculptures and transparent iciness. What message will you take from the snow? Come to Sapporo to find out.